Well, if you hadn't already noticed, I'm a little obsessed with plants, and I got some new plants. Hey, I'm Janelle, and this is toDIYfor. So this week I'm making some plant pots for some new plant babies that I just picked up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you do subscribe and you come back every week. I do new DIYs every single Wednesday, and some of them are small like today's, some of them are a lot bigger scale projects. Whatever it is that I'm doing, I usually try and keep it super budget friendly because I'm cheap. Let's just be honest. Yeah, I'm cheap. So plant pots I find can be sometimes pricey, for cute ones at least. And I had some old tile kicking around and I thought I could easily turn these into some cute little plant pots to cover up like the nursery pot very simply. So let me show you how I did that. Okay, so I'm using this tile sheet here. This is normally something that would be used for a backsplash. My brother had 2 leftover sheets that he gifted to me a very long time ago, and I finally figured out what to do with them. All I'm doing is pulling each individual tile off of the backing. It's pretty easy to do, and they're all different shapes, and they're also all kind of different patterns. There's clear, there's a frosted glass, and then there's also like a marble looking stone. So what I need to do here is actually glue these all together, and I'm gluing pieces that are the same size together so I can create kind of like a larger tile. If you have just normal size tiles, you could simply just glue 4 tiles together to do something like this. So I am using a Gorilla Glue. It's a super quick dry. I can't believe how quick this actually worked. It was about 10 seconds to hold and everything was glued in together. It does take longer to cure, but it was really quick and fast acting. So I recreated 4 of these and I tried to make the pattern the same on each one of them. And then now I'm just going to glue them into a box like so. So I basically just glued them all around, and now this is the perfect cover to hide that planter pot, and it's as simple as that, and I think it looks really high-end or expensive. So with the smaller little cubes, I decided to make this kind of octagon shape with these little tiny bricks, I'll call them. So I laid those all out, and they're not connected by anything right now, but the second layer is how they're all going to get connected. So once you get the shape that you want, I'm going in with my second layer, and they're going to overlap over top of those gaps and create another octagon, but just slightly shifted off so that these cubes actually kind of connect with one another, and this is how the whole piece is going to start to get connected together, mixing and matching again with all of the different kind of variations of stone that we have in here, and do as many layers of that as you want until you cover your entire pot. So that's as simple as it got to covering up those basic nursery pots. I think these look really cute. They were inexpensive to make because, I mean, the tiles were free for me, but those tile sheets aren't crazy expensive if you go to the hardware store and you want to pick up a couple and replicate what I did here. Let me know which one was your favorite, and of course, if you enjoyed this DIY, please come back, subscribe, check out my channel. Also, you can check me out on Instagram at Janelle Steeper for more. I'll be back next Wednesday with a new DIY. Cheers.